Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best knife for pumpkin carving that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best knife for pumpkin carving. The scary and crafty jack-o'-lanterns have always been an integral part of a Halloween party. Most of us are not that creative to carve one such pumpkin. However, at the same time, it is just impossible to resist trying to carve it. If you are one of them, you must have tried several times with non-honed skills. This is because you did not use the right carving knife for it. Number 5. Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit Joy Jack-o'-lantern Knife Set. The pumpkin carving kit is widely used for carving Halloween pumpkins, suitable for adults and kids. Also a great gift to your friends and family. Main features: high-quality stainless steel materials, solid ABS handle, safe to use. Number 4. Halloween Knife Pumpkin Carving Tools Jack-o'-lanterns 13-piece. Tools brings together a unique mix of great value, durability and professional. Now anyone can enjoy pumpkin carving much faster. Main features: double-sided stainless steel sculpting, ergonomically designed handle, 2 sturdy tooth saws. Number 3. Ho-Hit Halloween Pumpkin Carving Knife 11-pack. This pumpkin carving set is widely used for carving Halloween pumpkins, so it can be reused for a long time. Moreover, it is also ideal for beginners. Main features: made of heavy-duty stainless steel tip, smooth ABS material handle, double-headed design. Number 2. Kikini Halloween Pumpkins Carving Tool Knife. The pumpkin carving kit is perfect for you to make jack-o'-lanterns with your families and friends. Enjoy the happy Halloween pumpkin carving time. Main features: super convenient zippered handbag, premium eco-friendly materials, humanized design 13 pieces carving. Number 1. Messermeister Pumpkin Meister Carving Kit Orange. The etching tool has a curved squared-up tool head with a sharp edge. It is perfect for scoring the skin in relief. It is great for names, numbers. Main features: pumpkin scraper cleans seeds and pulp, 3.5 inches tooth carver cuts, soft grip handle. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.